Russian forces have intercepted several drones over the city of Moscow, according to officials, with one drone damaging the same tower that was hit in the capital's financial district in an attack over the weekend.
네, 러시아가 모스크바를 향해 날아온 드론 여러 개를 요격했습니다. 이 중 한 대는 주말에 공격받았던 금융 중심가 건물을 또다시 파손시켰다고 러시아의 국방부 관계자가 밝혔습니다. 자, 이번에는 그러니까요. 러시아의 수도 모스크바, 머스코가 공격을 받고 있는 상황이에요. 모스크바의 발음도 다양합니다. Ray says Moscow, I say Moscow, and in Korea we say 모스크바.
I think I say Moscow.
You do?
Yeah, Moscow.
그런가요? 네.
Yeah.
다 가능합니다. They're
Americans
all...
definitely say Moscow.
맞아요. 네, 발음이 좀 다르게 되기도 하는데 뭐 그게 다 가능하니까요. 그 공격을 지금 이제 거꾸로 받고 있는 러시아예요. 거기서 intercepted. They intercepted some drones.
When you intercept something, you could sometimes the police will intercept a criminal. You stop something before it reaches its destination.
Yeah. And you do this in sports, right?
American football.
American football
for sure. There's a term in interception.
What about basketball?
You could intercept it.
Blocking.
If one player is passing to their teammate and then another player grabs the ball while it's in the air, they've intercepted it.
그러네요.
It's in American football, it's a stat because the defensive players, they're trying to get interceptions.
I see. I'll have to look into American football because I don't really know the rules. But next time, I'll study and
Okay.
I'll have more to talk about.
It's much easier if we watch a game together. And
Okay.
then it's like I find all sports are easier if you're watching it and then someone's explaining it to you.
I guess it's maybe like riding a bike. It's better to actually ride the bike than read about riding a bike.
Sure,
but,
okay.
but not playing
Interesting.
American football, but
Yes.
like watching it is better than
I think
reading
so.
about it.
I think so.
Okay. 자, intercept 스포츠에서도 많이 쓰기도 하는데요. 여기서는 요격하다의 의미가 되겠습니다. 그래서 그 중간에 탁 껴서 막는 거죠. 자, financial district는 금융가라는 의미입니다.
So district, we'll talk about districts a lot in cities. It's just an area of a city. And when you put something in front of it, like the financial district or a shopping district or the entertainment district, it means there's just lots of that thing there. So financial district is where there's headquarters of banks or investment banks, that sort of thing. So in Seoul, I guess the financial district would be Yeouido.
Yeouido, yeah, sure.
In the U.S., it's Wall Street. Sorry, New York, it's Wall Street. In Toronto, it's called Bay Street. I can't remember what it is in London. I forget.
I forget as well.
But they, you know, all cities, most big cities have those areas.
Yeah, there you go. 금융가, financial district.